नमस्ते बिटिया हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया in the series of online digital lectures. Today we are going to take another lecture, that is software repertory part 6. And before starting this lecture, I would like to say that we are all proud to be a part of the best women university in India, that is JVW Jaipur. I welcome you all in repertory class on digital version 2.0 at JVW platform as per schedule provided by the university having the best homeopathic college in Jaipur. Hope my lecture will satisfy your quest for knowledge. Please listen carefully and drop your queries in the comment box, which I will answer in the problem solving session. Let's now move on to the lecture, that is software repertories part 6. See, we are going to discuss about advantages of homeopathic softwares in this lecture. These are the advantages of homeopathic softwares. Homeopathic softwares, they provide even the online help. They have repertory for right medication. They show post-treatment results. They eases homeopathic treatment process and builds resistance. So by showing this post-treatment results, it gives data for research purpose also. We must understand this. Homeopathic softwares online makes treatment process digital and creates paperless and eco-friendly homeopathy clinic. There is no use of paper as all processes are conducted online. All records are available online, prescriptions, case histories, medical records, and can be accessed anywhere, anytime. It has got repertory for right medication. A homeopathy treatment software helps asking relevant questions to their patients. At times, patients are unable to express themselves properly and they fail to tell their symptoms correctly to the doctor. This can be a difficult situation, so it helps to form questions for case taking and to complete the case taking session. It shows post treatment results. A homeopathic diagnosis software shows the course of action a doctor takes to treat patients. So it shows post-treatment results and they can be utilized for the research purposes also. It eases homeopathy treatment process and builds resistance. Homeopathy is a very effective treatment that cures illness and helps build resistance. The latest homeopathic software helps doctor provide treatment that addresses the patient's disease at the root level to improve their immunity and resistance to diseases. So it helps us to perform cures by providing proper analytical tools. Therefore, the resistance power of the patient enhances. Polarity analysis software homeopathy. The polarity analysis is generally practiced with computer software and is based on Bonninghausen Therapeutic Pocket Book. It contains new gradings of polar symptoms derived from many successful cases. The division of the symptoms in three reliable groups, which is high, medium, low, leads to prescribed prescriptions. So polarity analysis is possible only by using software repertories in homeopathy. Homeopathy software freeware. Radar and Kara are software companies. They allow to download free homeopathic software trial versions. with cracks for Android mobiles and PC too. You can also download such softwares in Hindi language. Homeopathic software's free download for mobile is the most popular module for managing our clinic from remote areas. One can also use alternative solutions for our clinics like medical billing software, clinic billing software, medical practice solution for clinics, doctor's prescription pad assistant tool, best pharmacy software for retail distribution. So the summary is that family-based analysis is clearly an up and coming focus for many homeopathic practitioners and serviceable families. Analysis protocols are a potentially valuable feature for any repertory program. Mac Repertory has an current edge in this category with both the ability to restrict an analysis to a chosen family and to repertorize by family. Kara's family implementation requires significant work on its family database. So these 3 or 4 software packages all represent significant contributions to the homeopathic community. All offer prominent advantages over the use of printed literature for purpose of care analysis, self-study, and teaching. But none will substitute for careful observation and astute reasoning on the part of practitioner. Each of these packages has its own set of strengths and weaknesses. Mac Repertory excels in its presentation graphics and currently holds an edge in implementation of the familial analysis work. Radar excels in the use of critical tasks of speed and access in finding rubrics, including rapid, simple search, concept search, and cross-reference between related rubrics. And the implementation of alternative views of synthesis repertory and two-way interaction with associated encyclopedia homeopathica program and strong feature are the strong features of radar. Whereas Kara is less complex program and performs basic tasks of repertorization and literature access as well, but sacrifices speed, ease of use, and some bells and whistles to economy. So we have come a very long way from Jahar's repertory in 1827 when the only resource at our command were the Materia Medica Pura of the founder of our school. With careful attention to our calling to be carefully observant clinicians, the computerization of our literature can offer us the tools to bring homeopathy into its presence as a truly 21st century medicine. So this is all in software repertories. At the end of this session, I would like to give you an assignment, which is a type of subjective question. And the question is, what various software repertories are available to the profession? And what advantages have radar over the others? तो कौन कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर रिपर्टरीज प्रोफेशन के लिए अवेलेबल हैं होम्योपैथी में और रडार सॉफ्टवेयर का दूसरी सॉफ्टवेयर से क्या ज़्यादा अच्छाइयाँ हैं जिससे कि इसको यूज़ किया जाए, तो इसका आंसर आपको देना होगा. तो थैंक यू ऑल फॉर पेशेंट लिसनिंग. See you in the next session with a new topic. Until then, goodbye. Take care of your health.